We are told Scott wants to make orange juice. Okay, he's going to buy boxes of oranges. There are 24 oranges in each box of oranges, and we know that 30 oranges makes 2 liters of orange juice. He needs to buy enough oranges to make 8 liters of orange juice. Work out the number of boxes, okay, of oranges that Scott needs to buy, and we must show all of our working, and this part is worth 3 marks. So first, okay, he needs 8 liters of orange juice, okay, and we know 2 liters of orange juice comes from 30 oranges. So this means he needs 120 oranges, okay, and the way we get this is there is a ratio, so liters of orange juice to oranges is 2 to 30. So if he needs 8, okay, what we're doing is we're multiplying this side by 4. So we multiply this side by 4 to get 120. 20 like that. Okay. Finally, we know one box has 24 oranges. So 24 oranges. Okay. And we need 120 oranges. So this is 120. What do we multiply by 24 to get 120? Times what? Well, this can be found by doing 120 over 24. And if you put that into your calculator, this is 5, which means we need to multiply this side by 5. Like that, okay? To get 5, sorry, in a different color, to get 5 boxes. So we can just write here, he needs 5 boxes. So this part is worth 3 marks. The first mark comes from an acknowledgement of 120 oranges required. Okay, so as we have done here. The second mark comes for a complete process. So understanding you need to do 120 divided by 24. That's this one here. And then the third and final mark comes from the correct final answer. We are then told Scott also buys 1,260 apples and 280 bananas. We need to write down the ratio of the number of apples that Scott buys to the number of bananas that he buys and give our ratio in the simplest form for 2 marks. Okay, so we need to give it in the form of apples to bananas. I forgot to spell that for a second. So this is going to be 1260 to 280. Okay, the first thing to do is go into your calculator and type 1260, the fraction symbol of 280, like that. This gives you a fraction 9 to 2, which means the simplest form of this ratio is 9 to 2, like that. Now this part is worth 2 marks. The first mark comes from any partially simplified correct ratio. Okay, so you can start with 126 to 28 or anything like that. And then your second mark comes from the correct simplified ratio of 9 to 2. So this on its own will get you 2 marks.